The past 26 years with customer ahead, 100 years with customer. Advancing towards the world without a single stop, our challenging future is beautiful. There were many hardships and difficulties on our path of challenge and success. In order to make our customer realize the value of health and happiness, the more difficulties we faced, the more united we became, and we are completing a beautiful challenge through our never-ending efforts. A trusted company that practices customer-oriented, a company that has passed its 26 years by having maximum efforts and a strong preparation. From now onwards, a global healthcare long-run company together with customer for the next 100 years. It is Serogem. We started on October 27, 1998, 25 years ago. It's a company that has a pure spirit to make the world healthy. It opened the first chapter of challenge. Lawfully, company operation, a resolution that I will be responsible to my customer for lifetime. We created the product which was not in this world, and we are challenging the frontier spirit. Having 1,75,200 hours only for looking after the value of our customers' health and happiness. Our valuable challenge of making a 100 years company will continue. Endless change, challenge and hardship. Past 26 years together with customers, it took a period of 26 years to create something out of nothing. In 1998, Serogem has opened a new trend in healthcare. The product which was not available in the world and which was seen for the first time, to experience and to know the value of the product. We try to give priceless valuable opportunity through experience. The great love of customer who is convinced of the value through sufficient experience. Serogem is a stepping stone to the growth of ceramics, and it has achieved the top position in the market in a short time. Since the start from the beginning of the business, it advanced in overseas, took the first step to global market with a challenging spirit and mission. In 2005, it entered India and it changed a regular full-fledged management system. It has entered more than 70 countries and laid a foundation of global network across the world. The promise we gave 26 years ago. Help the customer to use a product at home. We started again to keep the pledge. I am responsible to my customer for lifetime. Customer-oriented ethical management. Serogem embodies a healthy life to its customers all over the world. Continuously, it improves people's quality of lives by providing the innovative products and services. Let the customer ensure the value of Serogem through experience. To achieve our goal, must-do, customer-oriented. To achieve our goal, never to do, lose customers' trust. The society and company coexistence, CSV, CSR management. Making friends for healthy 100 years, MFH and EMBC selection contest. Serogem must take the steps forward the way without shaking and to take one step ahead. Coexistence management philosophy. By sharing we can become more happy. By sharing we can grow bigger. A popular company that grows together and contributes to the society through sharing. That is Serogem. It's a company that has placed the customer's value rather than its own pursuit. Our value lies on the health and the happiness of our customer's life. It's a center that is loved by the customer. It enhances the value of the brand and the product by its operation. It is proud of its organizational culture and its technology, a stepping stone of Serogem is very high. Company trusted by customer 100 years, Serogem. Global healthcare brand Serogem. The name we are proud of is Serogem. Let's go together.